We begin with Optimus Gen 1, Tesla's first humanoid featuring an elegant white body. Powered by a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, this 57-kilogram robot was built. Its core focus is the enabling autonomous path planning without LiDAR. While its movements were cautious, Gen 1 successfully demonstrated dynamic balance by watering plants and moving boxes at Tesla. By late 2020, Optimus Gen 2 arrived with massive mechanical upgrades. Tesla slashed its weight by 10 kilograms while maintaining high torque performance. The highlight is the new hands, equipped with tactile sensors for handling fragile objects. Combined with improved ankle joints, Gen 2 walks 30% faster and performs incredibly stable squats, marking the phase where Optimus began mimicking the human nervous system's fine motor control. Now, in 2026, we've reached Optimus Gen 3, version built for the global industrial revolution. The most radical change is the Gen 3 hands, now featuring 22 degrees of freedom. Tesla moved away from direct finger motors to a forearm-mounted tendon drive system. This technology provides extraordinary dexterity. Gen 3 can turn bolts, connect fine wires, and handle slippery objects using its new tactile skin layer. Powered by the Dojo supercomputer, it utilizes imitation learning to master new tasks just by watching human videos. Today, Gen 3 is no longer an experiment. It is a production unit autonomously operating on gigafactory lines.